नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम क़ाल अल्लाहु तआला इन्ना हुदल्लाहि हुवल हुदा व क़ाल रसूलुल्लाहि सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम खैरुकुम मन तअल्लमल क़ुरआन व अल्लमा सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुल करीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली अल्लाहुम्मा अरहिमनी बिल क़ुरआनिल अज़ीम वजअलहु ली इमामन व नूरन व हुदन व रहमा वजअलहु ली हुज्जतन या रब्बिल आलमीन आमीन सुम्मा आमीन रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर. So assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's take a look at same chart another way and with the examples. So look at the detached pronouns huwa, huma, hum. Huwa is he, huma is they two, hum is they all. Yes, hiya, huma, they two, she, and hunna, they all. So this is the third person. Now I'm giving you in a different way. Anta, antuma, antum for male, anti, antuma, antunna for female, ana, nahnu. So far so good?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now look at this. Come on. That's Mudakkar, that's Muannas, Mudakkar, Muannas, and this is Mudakkar, Muannas combined. Now the example, Al-Mithal. Example is Huwa Talibun. Okay? Huwa Talibun. Can you tell me what is the meaning of Talib?
He is a student.
He is a student. Mani is, he is
He's a
a
student.
student. Okay, now let's do our memory check. Is Huwa male?
Yes.
Yes.
Is Talibun male?
Yes.
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 So gender is covered. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Is Huwa singular?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Talibun is singular.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Is Talibun, Huwa is proper?
Yes.
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 And the Talibun is Nakira,
Nakira.
common.
Nakira.
Yes. Huwa is Rafa and Talibun is
Rafa.
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 Agree?
Great.
All right. Because that is what we are doing. We are applying our learning to this sentence now. This is a sentence. It's a short sentence, but it is a sentence. Huwa talibun, complete sentence. He is a student. Now look what happens when we talk about two students. Huma talibani. Follow? Now, whatever you have learned in the previous class, you are seeing the implementation of it right here. Is Huma dual?
Yes.
Is
Yes.
Talibani dual?
Yes.
Dual.
Is Huma male?
Yes.
Is the Talibani male?
Yes.
Okay. Is Huma Marifa is proper?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Is Talibani proper?
No.
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 Common.
Common.
Is Huma Rafa?
Yes.
Yes.
Is Talibani Rafa?
Rafa. Yes.
Very good. So far so good, right?
Yes.
Anybody who is not with me, please learning by asking question is a very good technique. Yes. Okay. Now when you go to the next one, things will change a little bit. Okay. So look at this.
Brother
Yes,
Abid.
brother Afzal. Yes.
Talibani, is that
Talibani,
going
yeah.
to be, is that not going to be like there is a kasra under noon?
Okay. So brother
is-
Afzal, I will stop you right there. Now, we have gone over this many times and you need to probably review this one more time. In order to determine the status, if you are only going to look at the letters, you will get confused when the number is dual. Yes, because in the dual, the status is not determined by the haraka. It's determined by the
Ending
sound.
sound.
Oh, Ani,
Ani
okay.
sound. Okay, so that part is your keep. I know this has been your all this time. I follow that you can't get that concept. So you need to really put effort and focus on this. Yeah. Okay. So look at this one. Hum tullabun.
Tullabun.
Okay. Is hum jama?
Jama.
Yes.
So the noun after that will be jama.
Jama.
Right? What is the jama of talibun?
Tullabun.
Tullabun.
Tullab.
Yes. Why? Because it's a jama mukassar.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So they all are students. Okay. So you see the gender, the number, they play a role in the sentence. Yes. That's why you were learning. Why do I need to care about gender and the number and the status and the type? Because they all matter when you are making sentences. Agree?
Yes.
Yeah.
Could you say huwa tullabun?
No.
No.
Can you say he is students? Will that make a
No.
good English?
No.
He's a student.
He
No.
is the students, right? It's not
Yeah.
gonna make, right? Or he are students. Even in English, you're not gonna make that sense. Okay? So hum tullabun. Now, what is hum? Is it male?
Yes.
Is it jama?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it like jama mean more than two? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Is it rafa?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Why is it rafa? Because it's a proper
Or
noun.
detached
It's a
now.
detached proper noun. It's a
Proper
rafa
noun.
noun.
Yeah.
Okay. Now tullabun, is it rafa or marif? I mean rafa or no, marifa or nakira? First of all, is it proper or common?
Common.
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 Okay. Is it rafa?
Rafa.
Yes.
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 Why?
Because home is
Ending sound.
Because it's a jama.
Jama.
It's a
Yeah.
jama.
The rule number one is that the singular and the jama mukassar follow the same rule number
Same
one,
rule. Yes.
which is last
The
letter,
haraka.
the haraka. Yes.
Yes.
What is the haraka for rafa? Tullabun.
Tullab.
Yes.
One.
Are
Yeah.
you with me on this one? What I'm talking about here?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. Now let's look at this one. Hiya talibatun. Is
Yeah,
hiya
talibat.
feminine?
Yes.
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 What is the feminine of talib? Taliba.
Talibatun.
The ta marbuta. Yes. Okay, good. Look at this. Huma taliba
Huma talibatani.
yeah. Huma taliba tani. What is taliba tani? Is it masculine or feminine?
Feminine.
Feminine.
Okay. Now, if all of this hidden from you and only see huma taliba tani, just by looking at that, can you tell me whether we're talking about male or female?
Yes.
Yes.
Female.
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 Tani.
Why? Because you're going to see the
Tani.
tani, right?
Ani.
The tani will tell you the information that we're talking about. Two female. We'll say they two female. Yes.
Yeah.
Is it third person or second person?
Third person.
Third person,
Third
because we're
person.
talking about they. They
They.
mean somebody, either far away or ghaib. Yeah. Okay. Look at this. Hunna talibatun. Okay.
She is a student.
This one sentence is covering all review from the previous session. Who agrees with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? So hunna is rafa.
Rafa.
Yes.
Yes, because it's a detached pronoun.
Detached
Mhm.
pronoun.
Is
Yes.
talibatun jama?
Jama
What
Salim.
kind of jama is it?
Jama Salim.
Jama salim. Yes. Okay. Jama salim, masculine or feminine?
Feminine.
Feminine.
Feminine. So what is it? The haraka or the ending sound?
Haraka.
Rafa.
Haraka.
No. Ending sound for jama
Ending
salim,
sound.
feminine. Taliba
Tun.
tun is the rafa sound. Yes.
Rafa sound. Yeah.
But if I say talibatin, what is that sound?
Talibatin.
In.
Nasab.
Rafa, nasab or jar, right?
Yeah.
Nasab or
Jar.
Jar.
Dono.
okay. So they are all students. Look, hum tullabun and hunna talibatun. How would you know you're talking about male? When you see the hum, because hum belongs to the male.
Male.
And you say hunna, then you would know you're talking about feminine. But also the talibatun is giving away the fact that you're talking about feminine.
Feminine.
Is that making sense?
Yes.
Is this helping you understand the concept?
Yes. Yes.
This table is understanding. Okay, good job. Look, anta talibun, you are a student. Yes.
Mhm.
Antuma talibani, you too are students. What kind of students? Mudakkar.
Muzakkar.
Antum tullabun, you all are students. You see, this noun is not changing, only the pronoun is changing, because now you know that you have switched from the third person to the second person. Now you're talking to a student who is in front of you or who is present. Yes. And you're talking to a male student. Now, if you talk to the feminine, you will say anti talibatun.
Talibatun.
Can you say anti talibun?
No.
No.
If you say anti talibun, that means you're saying you are a male student. You're talking to a female and you're saying you are a male student. Okay. She'll get offended. Anti talibatun. Antuma talibatani. Yes. And antunna talibatun.
Talibatun.
Making sense?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Then look at the ana part. Ana talibun. If I'm the male, I'm going to say I'm a student. I'm going to use the word ana talibun. Now, if a person says ana talibun, would you guess it is male or female?
Male.
Male. If the person says ana talibatun, then it will be a feminine. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So if a male stand up and he says ana talibatun, is he saying it correctly or wrong? If a male is saying ana talibatun, wrong. Right?
Wrong.
Because he's a male. He's using the wrong feminine gender for the talib. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. If I say nahnu talibani, that means we too are male students. And if I say nahnu talibatani, we too are feminine student. Right? If the male says nahnu tullabun, we all are male students. And if I say nahnu talibatun, that means we are all female students. Any questions on this?
No.
Are we good?
We're good.
Alhamdulillah. Yeah.
Alhamdulillah, right? Everybody, can I imagine or can I take it that all of you are feeling okay with this information?
Yes.
So
Alhamdulillah.
I don't know how else I can make it easier than this.
No,
Alhamdulillah.
this is very interesting and very easy to
Yes.
Yes, we just need to
Practice.
practice a little bit.
Yes. So
Yes.
before you practice, if you get the understanding and if you just do the simple math, this is plain English we talk, even in Urdu, even Fiji, any language you say, this is all present in our language. We are just trying to make it for Arabic. Yeah. So
Yes.
Yes.
all the, yes.
Sorry.
Yeah.
It might be silly, but the same question still come on my mind. If
Yeah.
I'm a female and I'm talking about a group of male and female, so what do I
Yes.
say? Nahnu talibani, talibatani, what we should
You will say Nahnu Tullabun.
Tullaban. Okay. So
Let's take a look at this.
The,
Here, let me answer your question in a more presentation way. Look at this.
Mhm.
How many sisters in this picture? 5?
5.
Yes,
Four.
and only one guy.
One
Yeah.
Look.
person. Yeah.
They're gonna say Hum Tullabun.
okay.
Because the default.
I don't want to be the feminist or what do you call it?
This is by default, I think.
But it's always
By
the-
default.
I think
Yes.
default is the thing.
So look at this. Now the question is what Sister Homa is asking. If by this picture, if I say Hum Tullabun, is this correct? Or Hunna Talibatun, which one is correct? Because there is one guy here. Okay. So this one guy in the Arabic language is dominant over all those 5 sisters, because Hum Tullabun is correct and Hunna Talibatun is wrong. And please don't kill me. I'm just a messenger. Okay. I'm not going to say why is that? Why is this? But the correct one is Hum Tullabun. Tullab is students, which is sort of a generic. This group of people, when they will say Hum Tullabun.
Yeah. So that might be the reason, Brother Abid, that in Quran, usually it's the dominant is the male.
Male.
And that's
Yes.
why everybody finds
Yes.
out that the whole Quran is for male,
Yes.
not for female. So that's the
Yes.
reason.
Yes. Now understand that. And again, this is Allah's wisdom. So this is not our discussion, but I'm glad that you clarified it. So we'll just leave it to that. but this is the end slide for this session. So a quick feedback. Now this material will be shared again, inshallah, with all of you.
Inshallah.
But did you feel that you grasped it, most of it, like at least 70-80% you're good, and the 20% will be maybe review? Yeah.
Yes.
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 Okay, good. Alhamdulillah. Everybody on the same page? Can I
Yes.
assume that everybody's on the same page?
Yes.
Yes. Salam.
All right.
Yeah, I think this exercise is very helpful in understanding the concept.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.